and good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and keeping well. So, children, today I have come up with another video. So, let's see what's today we are going to learn. Let's get started. Yes, children. So, today we are going to practice letter A. So, trace the letter A with your index finger. So, where is your index finger? This one. See, there are 5 fingers. Okay, this is thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and the little finger. So, this one is your index finger. It comes after thumb. This is your index finger. So, first we will trace A. See, go up, then come down, and this. Similarly, we will trace here also A. Trace the letter A. First go up, then come down, then a sleeping line. So this is a slanting line, again a slanting line, and a sleeping line. Okay, now I am going to write today's date here. So today is 16 July 2001. Okay? Okay. Now children, A is also for ant. A is also for alligator. See children, A is also for aeroplane. Now we will learn the sound of A. A says eh. Aeroplane eh. Aeroplane eh. Alligator eh. Ant. So A says eh. So the sound of A is clear to you. Now this is the classwork that I am going to practice with you. Here you will write date 16th July 2021. Now children, here dots are already there. Okay, so you will trace. Now let's help Jimmy to trace letter A. How you will trace? See, you will keep your pencil here. This is the red line, first blue line, second blue line. So you will keep your pencil here, then you will go up, then you will come down. Yes, very good. Then this. In this way you will trace the letter A. Go up, then come down, then like this. Again, go up, then come down, then a sleeping line. So children, this is a right sleeping line, right slanting line, a left slanting line, and a sleeping line. Again, right slanting line, left slanting line, and a sleeping line. Very good. Keep going children. Yes, we will go up, then come down, then a sleeping line. Very good. See, now I will erase. Okay. Very good, very good. Keep going. Keep going, very good. Yes. Very good. I hope children, by now you have learned how do we write A. So we write A. First we draw a right slanting line, a right slanting line, then a left slanting line and a sleeping line. There are 3 lines. Okay. Now children, here again you will write today's date, 16 July 2021. Okay. Now let's help Jimmy to practice letter A. A says A. Again children, here there are dots. We will trace on these dots. We will trace the dots to write A. Okay. See? Yes, very good. Now you can see that there are no dots here. So what can you do? See, I will first put 3 dots like this. Okay, then I will try to join these lines. Then I will draw a sleeping line. Again what I will do? I will make 3 dots. Here parents can also make these dots so that your child can write easily. Again children, you can see here, first I made 3 dots, then I will try to join the dots with the help of these lines. Okay. Again I will make 3 dots, then I will try to join these 2 dots, then again these 2 dots, then a line. Okay. It should not come out like this. See, you can make 5 dots also. See, now this and this, like this also. Now again, first I will trace the dots. Now there are no more dots, then I will draw dots on my own. Then I will try to join lines. Now again I will draw lines like this. Draw dots like this. Okay, good. Very good. I hope children you are getting. Again children, we will join the dots. I hope by now you have learned how to write A. Now children, here I am going to make dots for you. Now you will join these dots. Okay, this is your homework. Okay, again I am showing you like this. Okay, now children, that's all about for today. Thank you and have a nice day.